This is going to be a little walking tour video from the Tsilivi Hotel, which is just located just here. I've made a little video of this complex, this resort should I say. I'm going to do a little walk from the beach area all the way back to the main street. So anyone stopping at the Tsilivi wants to know what is out and about around, this is the video for you. So you've got some beachfront tavernas here, right next to it. If you're driving down, there seems to be a few places where you can put your car. So this is just at the edge of the Tsilivi resort here. Okay, so this is your entrance to get into the Tsilivi, and I'm just going to walk you all the way up the main street to the little village centre. Should take about 5-6 minutes, I think. Loads of these trip places are doing all sorts of special offers. Time of videoing is mid-September. And you can hire the buggies. You do loads of boat hire here as well. So you can actually hire a boat yourself, either with or without a skipper. All these buggies are for rent as well. I'm going to go out touring. A few of you. I'll chip in and get yourself a buggy. I had a walk around the centre last night, and I've got a video on that. So if you want to check my other filming out of the area, I'll put everything in a playlist in a few days, and you can check out the rest of the village, little village centre. It's absolutely packed with bars, restaurants, tavernas, gift shops. Very quiet during the day, but at night time, the whole place just comes alive. Want to hire a car? more higher places, if you want to hire a buggy or a car, there's quite a lot of these around here. I've not actually found a specific place to exchange money, but some of these little gift shops, that's where I've been changing my money. The rate's not, the rate's terrible, so I don't know whether it's better to get your euros before you come over. And most places do accept card though, and if you want to get any cash out, there are quite a number of these ATM machines. I've never used them, don't know what they charge or if they're free, don't know. But card payment isn't an issue. Okay, we're almost at the top of the road now where I'll conclude filming. I'm just going to walk around a few more parts of the village, pop into a few more hotels. So if you do like this kind of content, if you find it helpful, please do like and subscribe. It lets those looking for these kind of videos, it pops up in their feed with the YouTube algorithm. So please do like, share, leave a comment. And right at the top of the road here, you can see we've just got a bus stop just there. Super handy. Okay, there you go. So that's a little walk from the Tui Blue back to the main road. And thank you for watching.